Hello friends, Ranger Danger here from Gambling Galaxy. How are you guys and girls? I hope everyone is doing fine and awesome. In this video we'll be seeing a game called Lucky 7 on website 10crick.com, which provides you with live casino and gambling. Lockdown period is not ending and everyone is sitting at home mostly idle. Sitting at home and making money is a thing that everyone wishes for. So let's check out the game Lucky 7 now. Enough of chit chat. You can see I logged in 10crick.com. There are plenty of games ranging from roulette to blackjack to baccarat, but we'll be checking out Lucky 7 in wheel and lottery tab. So let's click Lucky 7. This game Lucky 7 is provided by betgames.tv, which allows us to bet on many games, not only Lucky 7 but there is Lucky 5 and bet on poker, 6 plus poker, etc. So we can see here the tabs of different games. Now let me introduce you to this game. A juggling machine is juggling the balls here, and on every juggle it's taking out 7 balls for the audience out of 42 balls. So and the charts which you can see on my left hand side, these provide us with the last 8-9 draws which had been there, so people can predict what type of combination or can come what type of combinations can come on single or multiple balls. So here we can see the multipliers. If a single ball drops, then 5.7, and I guess the game has started now. So let's check out the game, what it does. If two selected balls are there, then you will be getting a multiplier of 16. That means if you bet $50, you will be getting 1600. If 3 selected balls, then the multiplier raises up to 225. It's almost impossible, not impossible. I've cracked it thrice. And 4 balls is the multiplier goes up to 2000, I guess, which gives you 1 lakh for like $50, but that's like near to impossible thing, and that doesn't happen. If you are playing this game and betting on 4 number streaks, then I think you'll not be hitting them because the machine behaves differently if someone places that bet. So now we can see the new numbers: 4, 41, 18, 27, 26, 36, 17. The types of combinations you can play. And the thing is, if you are a regular player, then don't play these selected balls. You can try the total sum, in which the sum of the numbers on the drawed balls will be less than 125.5 is a very good bet, and you can play it frequently according to the dealer who is playing the game. And my favorite is these bets. Second ball dropped will be of the same color as the first. It gives a nice payout, and you can see in the chart that mostly the second ball is different from the first one, so you can keep on betting. It's for the regular players. Those who are playing as a chance and they are willing to take chance on their games, then they can try for 2 selected balls or 3 selected balls. So this was the intro for the game, and if you have any queries about this game, you can message me, and please like, subscribe and share this video, as if you are making money then it's good. You can share your views about the game. Thank you guys and best of luck.